Have you ever read a text that was difficult to understand because of missing punctuation, incorrect capitalization, or spelling errors? These small mistakes can change the meaning of a sentence and make writing unclear. In this video, we'll cover proper capitalization rules, correct punctuation usage, and common spelling mistakes and how to avoid them. By mastering these conventions, you'll improve both your writing and communication skills. Before we get into examples, let's define some key terms. Capitalization, the correct use of uppercase letters for proper nouns, the beginning of sentences and titles. Punctuation, the use of marks such as commas, semicolons, and colons to clarify meaning in writing. Spelling, the correct arrangement of letters and words to convey meaning accurately. Capitalization basics. Incorrect, lowercase I, visited the lowercase e, empire, lowercase s, state, lowercase b, building last summer. Correct, capital I, visited the capital E, empire, capital S, state, capital B, building last summer. Why? I is always capitalized. Empire State Building is a proper noun, so each word needs a capital letter. Takeaway: always capitalize proper nouns, the first word of a sentence, and the pronoun I. Proper use of punctuation. Incorrect, let's eat grandma. Correct, let's eat grandma. Why? A missing comma can completely change the meaning of a sentence. The first version suggests eating grandma, while the corrected version properly addresses her. Takeaway: use commas to separate elements in a sentence and avoid confusion. Spelling and homophones in professional writing. Incorrect, they're going to the conference to present their research on climate change. Correct, they're going to the conference to present their research on climate change. Why? There is a contraction of they are. There shows possession. There refers to a place. Takeaway: always proofread for homophones and commonly confused words to ensure accuracy in writing. To demonstrate command of standard English conventions. Use capitalization rules correctly for proper nouns and sentence structure. Apply punctuation marks appropriately to clarify meaning and improve readability. Watch for common spelling errors and homophones to avoid misunderstandings. Strong writing skills are essential for academic success, professional communication, and everyday life. Mastering these rules will make your writing clearer, more professional, and more effective. Punctuation is the silent music of language. Anonymous. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.